Hello everyone, welcome back in the 6th class GK. Student, today we will start chapter number 21. Yes, chemistry at work. Chemistry at work. Know more about chemicals and elements that play a vital role in our lives. Fill in the blanks by using the help list. Yes, student, this is help list. Come to the first one. Yes. Caffeine is found in coffee and tea that makes you feel more active. Yes. This element is found in coffee and tea. Second is here. Anemia is caused by the deficiency of iron in the body. Yes. Iron should be in proper quantity in our blood. Yes. Next is goiter is caused by the deficiency of iodine. Yes. This element is iodine. 4 is nitrogen is a colorless, odorless and gaseous element comprising 80% of the Earth's atmosphere. And 5th is fluorine is a poisonous pale yellow gas and is very reactive. Yes, fluorine is very reactive gas. 6 is freon is used in refrigerators for creating cooling effect. Come to the next. 7. Helium is a very light gas that does not burn and is often used to fill balloons and to freeze food. 8 is oxygen is the most plentiful element in the crust of the earth. Come to the 9. 9 is sulfur is a pale yellow substance that produces a strong unpleasant smell while burning and is used in medicine and industry. Next is here 10. Neon is a gas that shines with a bright light when electricity is passed through it. Okay, students. Come to the next chapter, that is chapter number 22, Up in the Air. For centuries, humans have dreamed of soaring high among the clouds like birds. Yes, human ingenuity and determination have made this dream come true. Today, you can fly to any part of the globe in hours by simply boarding an aeroplane. Read about the various flying machines which were the modern aeroplanes precursors. Okay, first is here Cirsa 1250. Okay. Yes, this is Roger Bacon, an English scientist, proposed a vehicle with flapping wings that could fly. The result was an aircraft now called ornithopter. Yes, now it is called ornithopter. And Leonardo da Vinci in 1490 drew detailed sketches of various kinds of flying machines, one of which resembled the modern helicopter. But yes, unfortunately, these dreams remained on paper for lack of manufacturing materials. Come to the next one. Yes, Cirsa 1783. The Montgolfier brothers designed and made the first machine to carry a person up in the air Yeah, that is a hot air balloon. Yes, like this. In says the 1783. And at the third number, yes, this is this one. Since the 1852, the first successful airship was built by Henry Giffard. These were a popular means of transport in the early 20th century. Yes, this one. Next one is here about the Sirsa 1890. Yes, this one. The first winged aircraft were gliders. Otto Lilienthal made many gliders flights in the last decade of the 19th century. Yes, you can see in this picture. Come to the next one. Sirsa 1911. The Wright brothers designed and developed the powered aircraft, the forerunner of the modern aeroplane. Yes, this one, the modern day aeroplane. Next is Sirsa 1930. The largest flying machine ever built, the Hindenburg was a large airship. It was destroyed by fire on 6 May 1937. Yes. Come to the info nuggets. The Virgin Atlantic Boeing 747 became the first commercial aircraft to fly on biofuel. But what is this biofuel? A fuel produced from plant matter instead of crude petroleum. Yes, this is biofuel. Friend, in next video we will solve all these questions. Up to the next video. Thank you.